India was known as Vishwa Guru once upon a time. पूरा दुनिया से शास्त्र आके भारत में, तक्षशिला में, नालंदा में, अन्य इलाके में उस समय पढ़ के जाते थे। केवल हमारा कहना नहीं, जो चाइना से आए फेमस हिस्टोरियन, सॉन्ग और यान, they all wrote about the same. Whenever the world is faced with threats of fragmentation, conflict, hatred, and irrational prejudices, the Indian voice brings to the world the smoothing, inclusive perspective that have pervaded its cultural world for more than 2 millennia. As Swami Vivekananda said in his inaugural speech at Chicago on September 11, 1893, ours is a country that has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. India believes not only in universal tolerance, but we accept all religions as true. The only religion, only country which accepts all religions as true is India.